Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is the difference between view and a partial view. In ASP.NET MVC, both view and partial view are used to render content to the client, but they have some key difference in terms of their usage, purpose and rendering behavior. First we'll go with view. A view in ASP.NET MVC represents a complete web page that is returned as the response to the client request. A view typically includes an entire page layout, which can include elements like headers, footers, navigation, and other sections that make up the complete page structure. Key characteristics of a view. Complete page. A view is generally used to render an entire web page. Layout. A view can use a layout like file, layout CSHTML to provide a consistent structure for the page. Example, header, footer, and navigation. Can return an entire HTML page. A view usually returns an entire HTML page. Full life cycle. Views typically initiate a full page life cycle, request, processing, and rendering to the entire content. Example of a view. If you have a view called index.cshtml in your home controller, it is a complete web page that would be returned when the user navigate to home/index. Here we have index method, action result, and in index HTML we are returning this view. Welcome to the home page, which is a header one, and another one is paragraph P. This is the layout. This is going to be returned to the index. Partial view. A partial view in ASP.NET MVC is a smaller reusable view that represents a part of web page, not the entire page. It is typically used to break down complex views into smaller components or to render content that needs to be included in multiple pages, such as sidebar, user profile, or footer. Key characteristics of a partial view. Partial content. It is used to render a part of section of page, not the entire page. No layout. Partial views do not typically use layout files. They are rendered as a piece of large view. Reusable. A partial view can be included in multiple views, helping reduce code duplication. Does not initiate a full life cycle. Partial views are only rendered as a part of a parent view and don't initiate a full page life cycle. Now we'll see example of a partial view. If you have a partial view called _user profile.cshtml, you can render it is a part of a main view. See, this is the action result of a profile and it returns this is a profile CSHTML. This is a main view. So in the main view we are returning that HTML.partial _ user profile. This render section is called partial view. This is the HTML, CSHTML of user profile. Key difference between view and a partial view. Feature, view, partial view. Purpose. Represents a complete web page. Full view. Partial view represents a reusable part or section of a page. Layout. Usually use a layout page, header, footer, etc. Does not use layout page. Rendering. Renders an entire HTML page. Renders only part of HTML page. Page life cycle. Initiates a full page life cycle, request, processing, and rendering. Does not initiate a full life cycle. It's just a part of the page. Reuse. Generally used to render a full page once. Used for rendering small reusable portion of the page. Returned by controller, this is the return view, and return partial view. Example, pages like home slash index product slash details, this is the controller and this is the action results, and this is going to be view. Small sections like user profile, sidebar, etc. When to use each? Use a view when you want to render an entire page, such as home page, detail page, any page that constitutes a complete user interface. Use a partial view when you want to render a portion of page that can be reused across multiple views like header, footer, and any reusable section. Example, list of items, user profiles, card, etc. So friends, this is all about view and partial view. Thank you.